Thanks for watching. I want to share with you my 10 by 10 by 10 formula. Now, if you're a sales professional or thinking about getting into sales, or if you own your own business, I want to give you the technique I believe is absolutely fantastic for focusing your attention on where you need to spend your time. Now, what's 10 by 10 by 10? Well, what I've worked out is, as a sales professional, you need to concentrate your energy and effort. So here's what I want you to download the form. I want you to write down who are your top 10 customers, your top 10 clients. Now you need to identify who these 10 are because you don't want to lose them. And by the way, if they're your top 10, they're on somebody else's top 10 prospect list. Here's the second 10. Who are the 10 customers that already do business with you? And let's say they're a C or they're a B customer, but really they've got the potential to be an A. Write down that list of 10. And here's the final 10. Who are the 10 prospects that you would love to do business with? Now, does it need to be 10 by 10 by 10? No, it could be 2 by 2 by 2. It could be 3 by 3 by 3. It could be 5 by 5 by 5. But this is about concentrating your effort, your energy, and your attention on where you're going to get the most amount of growth in your business. Now, once you've listed them down, here's what I want you to think about. In your top 10 clients, your platinum clients, what do you need to do to continue to strengthen the relationship with them? Because often what happens is our very best clients are neglected because we go, oh, they do lots of business with us. They know what we do. We'll just leave them be. So make sure that you spend your time, your energy and effort in reconnecting with that 10. Now the 10 that have got the greatest potential to grow, what are you doing to go and promote all the other products that you offer, that you sell and that you can provide? And whether it be a service or a product or an expertise. Understand this, that some of your clients who are not doing more business with you have put you in a box. Oh, you guys just do this. No, we do all these other things. No, you've got to continue to re-educate. And the next 10, the prospects, you have to be strategic about this. Who do I need to connect with? Who do I need to contact on LinkedIn? What can I send them? What can I do to build trust, rapport, and credibility so that I can move them from being just a prospect to doing a little bit of business with me? Because once I get my foot in the door, I'm going to get my whole leg in, I'm going to get my whole body in, I'm going to shut the door on my competitors. Download the sheet and start to think about what you can do to be proactive, progressive, and productive in being able to achieve what you want as a sales professional. Thanks for watching.